Doubt is a killer. You just have to know who you are and what you stand for. Think like a queen. A queen is not afraid to pay. Failure is another stepping stone to greatness. I have come to believe that each of us has a personal calling that's as unique as a fingerprint, and that the best way to succeed is to discover what you love and then find a way to offer it to others in the form of service, working hard and also allowing the energy of the universe to lead you. Never apologize for being a powerful woman. The world needs strong women who will lift and build others, who will love and be loved. Women who live bravely, both tender and fear. Women of indomitable will. Each time a woman stands up for herself. She stands up for all women. A woman is the full circle. Within her is the power to create nature and transform. We need women at all levels, including the top, to change the dynamic, reshape the conversation, to make sure women's voices are here and heeded, not overlooked and ignored. A strong woman is a woman determined to do something. Others are determined not to be done. I figure if a girl wants to be a legend, she should go ahead and be one. A strong woman stands up for herself. stronger women stand up for everybody else. And one day, she discovered that she was quiet and strong and full of fight. And that not even she could hold herself back because her passion burned brighter than her fears. She was a wild one, always stumping on eggshells that everyone else tiptoed on. She was powerful, not because she was not scared, but because she went on so strongly, despite the fear. One of the most courteous things you can do is identify yourself. Know who you are. What you believe in and where you want to go. Avoiding danger is no safer in the long run than outright exposure. The fearful are caught as often as the bold. I have learned over the years that when one mind is made up, this dimensions fear, knowing what must be done does away with fear. We need women who are so strong. They can be gentle. So educated. They can be humble. So fires. They can be compassionate. So passionate, they can be rational and so disciplined, they can be free. Strong women do not play the victim. Don't make themselves look pitiful and don't point fingers. They stand and they. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel.